Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we are about to get started with creating our greenhouse and our herb pallets that are going to be placed in the backyard. I had to bring them in because it was raining, but first we have to go to the store. All right, so we're back from the store. We have everything we need to get started today. Everyone, welcome Marley with us to build. We're gonna start with the greenhouse, and then in our next video, we're going to do the herb beds. So the greenhouse is from Village Green, from Big Lots. It's a huge box, or else I will pick it up so I can show you like the end of the front of the box later. Or I'll show you right now, right here. There's Aura. Aura's gonna help us out today. So we already have the base started, and it's done a million pieces. So we're gonna lay it down. Oh. So,
Alright, we're gonna make a shake.
okay. So it's pretty easy. Comes with instructions. Just follow the instructions on your thing, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay. So they have numbers on them. I had opened this the other day. Boil. I opened this the other day, and waiting to put threes in the tops of everything. So there's gotta be a three. We might not need to go for this.
We'll keep my hands warm. Oh, to the grease.
Yeah, just put these in all of these.
And both of those.
Just the top ones. Time to transfer. All right, so we've moved it outside. It's just gonna go right along this fence here, and this will be set to stay here for, I guess, however long. I don't know. We'll see how it does in the winter. Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to take it in or leave it out here. So we'll see. But Marley here is working on the roof, and I'm gonna go around the bottom and make sure it's secure so that the wind does not take it into our neighbor's yard. Okay, so I applied about like 6 of those hooks into the ground. Let me show you what they look like. I got them from Ace or Dunn's Hardware, depending on what they call it by you. They're 99¢. You can get them from pretty much any hardware store. Take a hammer it right on in. Let's go. Alright, now I'm going to help Marley here tackle this roof. This right here is G. Is it supposed to be a G or is it supposed to be a... No, that's a G too. Okay, what's your way? Oh, okay. You got it. Looking at the ground. Thank you. I told you not to mess with this. Oh, okay. Oh, over there.
Go this way though. Or wait, never mind. Right, right. Yeah.
All right, now that our greenhouse is finished, we started some vegetables beginning of March. They're ready to be transferred outside. Next week, we will transfer them into their raised beds where they will turn into vegetables. I have enough soon enough.
Definitely coming here using this sauna. Like, sweating on my sins away after a night of drinking.
Oh, are you pooping in my video? All right, so we'll transfer these. Remember, these are onions. We have peppers here, broccoli here. I want to say cabbage is, no, I think cabbage is over here. These are definitely tomatoes. The cabbage is over here. And I want to say those are some jalapeno peppers. So we got some good stuff coming. We got like one onion growing. Hopefully I can, you know, get an onion out of it.
Not one.
Maybe that one too. It might last. Who knows? All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.